In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify to Notion. If you've ever wanted your favorite music right inside your notes, this quick walkthrough will show you how. We're going to copy a link from Spotify and paste it into a Notion page so it turns into a clean, playable embed. First, open Spotify in your desktop app or the web player and head to the song or album you want to feature. Make sure you have that item visible so you can access its options. To the right of the title, find the three-dot More button and click it to open the menu. In the menu that opens, hover your cursor over Share. This reveals another panel with different sharing choices. Choose Copy Link to Album. If you picked a single song instead of an album, you'll see the matching option for the track. Either way, Spotify copies a standard URL to your clipboard. No special code required. Leave Spotify open if you think you might want to grab another link in a moment. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the Spotify player to live. Click into the page body so your cursor is active, then paste the link you just copied. Right away, Notion recognizes it as a Spotify link and pops up a small prompt with choices. When you see that prompt, click Embed. Selecting Embed tells Notion to convert the plain URL into an interactive block. Give it a second to load and you'll see the Spotify card appear with artwork, the title, and familiar play controls. At this point, you're done. The player is part of your page, and you can press play directly from Notion. Playback behavior may depend on your Spotify account and region. If you aren't signed into Spotify in your browser, you might hear only a short preview until you log in. And if the embed doesn't load on the first try, make sure you use the copy link option from Spotify and not a private or local file link. Then paste again and choose embed. That's the entire process. Open the item in Spotify, copy its link from the three-dot share menu, go to Notion, paste, and confirm with embed. Use this to add a focus playlist to a project page, soundtrack a journal entry, or spotlight an album in a team hub. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a workspace that sounds as good as it looks.